Hi, thank you very much for being here. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to add the dimension in your AutoCAD drawing. Let's come to the computer screen, and here is a birdhouse, and I'm gonna put dimensions in this drawing. So for putting the dimension, you have to go to Home tab, and in Home tab you will find a third group named Annotation, and here in this group you will see option Linear, and when you will click this drop down you will find different options categories. Like if you want to put the linear dimension, you have to click here, and if you want to line dimensions, angular, you have to use these commands depending upon your requirements. So let me do linear dimension first. Click the linear, and then you have to select the first point. Click this, and then you have to select the second point. Click this. Now you can see the effect of your command. Now you can drag your mouse and make the space where you want to put this dimension. I'm gonna put here, so I will click here. If you wanna put here, you have to click here. I'm gonna click here. So the job done. And if you want to put the align dimension, then you have to click this. So in my case, the roof, I am using the align dimension. You have to click first point and then second point, and then you will drag your mouse outside for making the space. So click here. And if you wanna angular dimension, then you have to click this. In my case, I am going to take the dimension of these two objects. Select the first one and select the second one, and then drag the mouse. You can find 150-degree angle is here. And now you can select the radius. If I want to put the dimension of radius for this circle, I have to click it and then drag the mouse and click where you want to put this dimension. In the same way, you have the diameter also. You can select this circle, and you can see diameter is here. So that's the end of this discussion, and in this discussion we have learned how to add the dimension in your AutoCAD drawing. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.